this way. What the?
What are you doing, Dylan?
Just some bush mechanics. Got a leaky radiator, so I'm going to seal that with some instant steel weld stuff. All because Anthony is ham-fisted and breaks the radiator caps and the lead caps and... Hey Anthony!
It breaks all of the things. Do that.
I need to get it in there first.
Stick the cap in there and then do it all around that as well.
That's just a pretty face, though.
Oh, hey, you haven't woken up yet, have you?
Nope. This might actually work.
I like how you're not 90% complete and now you think it might work.
That might do the job. Great.
Dylan working hard as per usual.
G'day ladies.
Where he does his best work, flat on his back.
I'm not gonna lie, that is pretty damn comfortable though. I reckon you can go around the track like that.
Most BMW drivers do, mate. Just ask your brother.
probably just the radiator pipe or something that came off. There you go. Welcome to Lakeside. We're back here again for the Grip and Slide event. We're here on a Wednesday, which is weird, but it is the Eka, it's People's Day and public holiday in Queensland. And we've got about 26 drivers here today, and they're all doing things from the grip to the drift roundabout at the bottom over there, and then the skid pan over here. This is one of our favorite events. We have so much fun out here. We managed to bring good old E46 track hack over there. That's going to be running around all day today, having a bit of fun. I've had it for a few drives on all of the different courses, and it is fun. It's not particularly fast on the grip, but yeah, you know, it's good enough. So all the boys lined up over there, and we're just going to have a good day of it as we always do. We'll put the camera into the BMW so we show you what that's about.
First event we've been at Lakeside DTC, it hasn't been raining.
Yeah, it's great. So this car is not particularly fast around the dry track. It is sort of fun. I run out of revs very quick and I don't want to touch third gear because I hate shifting down to second in this thing when you're turning a corner. So I'll just keep it in second all the way around and see what we can get out of it. Don't look so nervous, mate. Lower?
34.22, 34.
Oh, he beat the
34.47. I need the run up. Hang on, just gotta slowly get my stopwatch. All the time in the world.
Watch that thing lift up the inside rear wheel. It's not the fastest car, but I'm sure it's fun as hell to drive. Once it eventually gets going, that is. For those of us who've been around for a while and seen us from the beginning, you'll recognize him.
Skid control, boys, use rocket.
Hand controls and everything, this boy can drive as well. Give it a rip.
Enjoying that elementary sitting position there?
Premium.
That's
Yeah,
just. Yeah.
As long as your foot's on the clutch, eh? Cool.
Yeah, it works. Yeah, that's
I said to everybody I'd smash some barriers today. Absolutely perfect. Weight saving. Spare glass in here.
It's a wing, bro.
In there.
Smash your other tail.
And keep sanding it. So Goran the legend bought us some KFC lunch.
That he doesn't think's enough. I don't know what, like, mate, Trent's not here. It's not going to get that much in.
Have you seen him? He's got to feed that somehow.
That's Goran's idea of picking up chicks.
Yeah.
Let's go to KFC.
Talking about weird Australian town names and all that. Coopapedy. Do you know what Coopapedy is? Or everybody lives underground in Coopapedy.
Yeah.
Do you know what Coopapedy, native Aboriginal language, translates to?
No.
White man in hole.
So has anyone got the translation for titty bomb?
Yeah, they do titties with a bomb.
That was probably named by white man.
He's like, I want this to be my favourite place in the world. What do you like? Titties? What do you like? Bomb. Titty bomb! How's doing? What are you? I'm a professional intentional crasher.
At least I go out with purpose and fulfill it.
Describing your job with really bad description. Describe your job really badly.
He penetrates things very hard. It's beautiful artwork now.
Did you do it?
I did not do it. I wish I had.
He did it, didn't he?
Ran out of
I should have drawn it the other way so he was the giant testicle.
You want me to change the bulb for you, Dylan?
Hey?
Yeah, good as it.
Change the bulb.
Yeah, just change the bulb there for me. ASC button over there. When you start the car, you need to push that, and then you'll see that light come on. That means you can do skids.
Oh, okay.
Because it's anti-skid control.
Uber.
Alright, let's drive. We're gonna get Macca to give the BMW a skid. See if he can steer.
Oh, this is gonna be terrible.
Where's the windscreen wipers? Why is it up? Why do I have to... Windscreen wipers on! Oh, this is really nice. Why do I get more wet going this way? What the Too much. Yeah, that's nice. I like that.
We'll drive next to you. Hold on, I got something in my eyes. Jesus.
The first thing was crazy.
Hey! That's it anyway.
Hey Macca,
Yeah, pass.
you know how to YouTubes?
Think that.
Yeah. Sign us out, man.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. That's pretty much it, really.
And the socials?
Oh, all right.
Come on, mate.
You're supposed to know the stuff, come on.
All right, guys. Shut up. hold on. You gotta come back here. All right. Come. You stand in the other place. You stand. All right. So, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Check out Skid Control at.
You used
Oh,
to
God damn it.
www.skidcontrol.com.au, facebook.com/skidcontrol, and Instagram/skid_control. Until next time. Until next time.
See you on the track.